What can be done to optimize maintenance during robotic welding in order to minimize unplanned downtime? Of course, the first step you could think of is to use optimized processes, especially for gas metal arc welding. You can choose a process that avoids or minimizes spatter. Having less spatter means less overall maintenance demand. So that's the first step. Of course, second step is also for gas metal arc welding to use an automatic torch cleaning station. Spatter will build up during the welding process, and you have to determine the cycle where you want to use the torch cleaning station to remove these spatters. And the third point is, if you have to do maintenance, use an automatic torch neck changing system. This allows you to shift the maintenance outside of your robotic welding cell, exchange the spare parts or the wear parts or even the torch necks. But in the meantime, your robotic cell is continuing to produce. So on the unplanned maintenance, that's all, but of course you should have like a planned maintenance. So you should determine a cycle where you want to have that maintenance, where you have to stop your robotic cell, and there you should especially look at the area where the wire is running, because you always have abrasion of your wire. That starts from your wire drum or from your wire spool, through the cable assembly to the torch neck up to the contact tip. And if you, for instance, use compressed air to blow out and clean this abrasive material, this avoids later on that this abrasive material will move to the torch neck and even to the contact tip, and finally results in a stop of your welding process. So avoiding these measures will help you to immensely improve the productivity of your welding cell and minimize unplanned downtime.